gonna grab you all. Somebody.
Here, I got your phone and your beer. You need a cigarette too.
Look, I'll do it on your butt so you don't feel it as much.
No, just hit me right there.
No, you don't do it. It might burn your skin. Stop moving.
Hit me in the leg then. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Just fucking do it.
Don't touch me. Swear to God, can I do it in your butt cheek?
No. Hit me in the leg. Oh, wait. Hang on.
Don't touch me, bro. Get away. Come from me. Oh, Josh.
No, I'm not doing that. Hit me in the leg.
You don't want to know that it's coming.
Just fucking do it.
You don't want to know that it's coming.
Don't
Fucking
turn
do it.
away.
Look at the camera, though. You gotta
No, I don't want to look at the camera. Hey, wait.
Get out of the way, Haley.
I'm trying to turn. You know this is war.
Why are you moving? Don't touch me.
Shit.
Stop touching me.
Hit.
Don't touch me.
Hit me in the fucking leg.
Damn. You all right? One more?
You gotta stand back up so we got proof you're alive.
Look at that little boy watch.
Get this one now because it feels uneven. I can't even fucking.
Don't touch me. Back up. Go down.
I'm not gonna.
Don't touch me, bruh. Hey, you know, I just felt
Some
it too.
jackass shit right here.
Exactly.
It's magic.
Oh, my legs hurt.
Junior, smile. Let us know you're alive.
Oh, it feels like something bit me on the ass. Stop laughing.